Over the past 2 decades, economic links between China and the 6 states of the Gulf Cooperation Council, also known as the GCC, have grown significantly closer. China's investment in the region has boomed post-pandemic, and today, China is the Middle East's biggest trade and economic partner. Rapid growth in sectors like energy and infrastructure, we believe, provide investors opportunities in the region. The Gulf is China's largest oil supplier, and those states are using that oil-based revenue to diversify their economies, reducing dependence on income from fossil fuel and also greening their own energy sectors. In return, China, with its expertise in renewable power and infrastructure development, is a key partner in the region's push for FDI, foreign direct investment. In Dubai, the world's largest solar farm under construction is being built by a Chinese energy provider, part of a $14 billion project which will provide green power for 250,000 homes. And that green energy is spurring development of what's been called the Internet of Things in electricity. Digital devices will allow sophisticated power network monitoring, with advanced computer programs controlling this smart grid, optimizing how electricity is made, moved, and stored. We believe there could be investment opportunities in grid digitization, distribution network upgrades, and ultra-high voltage projects. And energy is at the heart of a new drive towards environmental commitments in the region, with UBS analysts noting some sovereign wealth funds from the Middle East are excluding fossil-based investments from their portfolios. China's domestic energy transition could also offer investment opportunities. We estimate that renewable operators, power grid, and wind equipment sectors should all provide potential earnings 24 to 30% higher than average by 2025. In December 2022, the Chinese leader Xi Jinping called for partnerships in 5 key areas: energy, innovation, investment, aerospace, and culture. And after nearly 2 decades of negotiations, many are hopeful that a China-GCC free trade agreement could finally be signed this year, unlocking billions more in bilateral trade and further strengthening what is already being built as a significant 21st century economic relationship.